Hello, everyone. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial for you on how we are doing this exterior wall. So I'll start with what we had done during class. I have the, I started with the curtain wall. I had done the edit type, duplicated it, changed the name to SC curtain wall. In the vertical mullions under border type 1, where it says none, you want to choose that mullion that we made. There it is right there. And then say OK, and then you have a new wall type. So here is my wall type that I had made during class. For this, remember we want to be up off the ground by 3 feet. We want the height of it to be 5 feet. So the top of it will be at 8 feet. And then we want to put our offset at 3 inches. So that puts the glass where we want it to be. So I'm starting on the interior on the left side. So if this were flipped up, I'm on the inside and on the left side. So I'm starting right there. I'm clicking right there. And when I clicked, it made this other mullion. So I'm going to click again at the next mullion. And when I did that, it made that mullion. And I could just keep on doing that as I go down and around the building. Okay. If you don't click in the exact right place, you can go back and move the mullion a little bit. And then you just keep going. And here I am at the corner. I'm going to click the other side of that mullion. To get that mullion, I'm going to hit escape once. So I'm still in the command, but I can start a new point. Again, I'm on the left side, interior, same point, moving, click again, escape, start, and continue. Okay. So there is the glazing. For the wall that goes underneath, I am going to my SC exterior existing 6-inch wall. I'm actually going to edit that really quick. And can I edit the name? Oh, anyways, I want to get rid of that too. Anyways, it's fine. I have 2 there. This is underneath the glazing. So this one, I want my base offset to be 0. And it's 3 feet high. And while I'm drawing it, I want it to be finish face interior. And I don't want this offset anymore, so that can just go back to 0. And I'm going to start down where I started before. Again, I'm starting at that same point that I did for the glazing. You can see the wall right there going underneath the glazing. And I'm just going to go around the entire building. Go in, zoom in when you need to, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, I'm just going around the entire building. This is why we have to do that glazing first, because now I just covered over the AutoCAD drawing. Then I'm going to use that same wall. So I'm using that same exterior existing wall. I'm going to my base offset is 8 feet. And I'm going up to 15, so it needs to be 7. So if I'm starting at 8 and I'm going up 7, the top of it's going to be at 15. I need to be on the ceiling plan, and I need to go down to where it says underlay, range, base level. I want level 1 to be on right there, so I can see AutoCAD plan, right? So I'm going to go back down to where I was. I am, got to get back in my wall. Eight, 7, finish face, interior. I'm starting at that same point again. And now I'm going above the glazing. So again, we just follow around the entire building, clicking in those same exact places where I did before with the other walls. And I'm just going around the entire building, okay? Now, I want to go back to my level 1. I want to make a new wall. I already have it made. But this one, you could use your exterior existing as a guide or as the base. I want to edit type, duplicate, and I want an interior existing. So I would just change the exterior to interior. Good to go. Okay, I already have mine made, so I don't have to do that. So I'm going to cancel. So here I am with my SC interior existing 6-inch wall. This one is 0 offset. Again, I want it to be 3 feet high. And this is the wall, and then, oh, sorry, we also want it to have the finished face interior, okay? And this is the wall that goes in between the columns. It's the green line. So I'm going to start there, go up here, press escape. Then I can start again over here, go up to there, press escape, start there, go up to there, etc., etc. Okay. So now I have all 4 components done. And I'm going to look at this in 3D. So this has all the components done here. I have my base interior wall. So this I could sit on, right? I could put my butt right there and sit on that inside. I have my glazing. I have my wall that is above that. I have my columns. And then if I were to look outside of this, there is the other wall that's underneath the glazing, okay? We can talk about putting other mullions right here, basically just measure that area, make a mullion just the way we did before, use a square mullion as a base, and then you would just click on one side of it, click on the other side of it, and it'll just make a mullion. I can do a tutorial about that if you're interested in that. So that is making the curtain wall.